Welcome to the Clever Framework, which is a systematic approach designed to help you evaluate financial information with the critical thinking, professional skepticism, and ethical judgment that the accounting profession demands. Whether you're a student learning to analyze financial statements or an instructor teaching the next generation of accountants, this framework will equip you with the tools you need to succeed in an era where AI tools are ubiquitous and the risk of error is high. Let me share two stories. First, a student copies an AI-generated analysis into her assignment without questioning it. Days later, she discovers that AI fabricated numbers and misunderstood accounting relationships. The confident answer was completely wrong. Second, during an investor call, a CFO claims record profitability. But one investor asks what that actually means. Turns out it refers only to gross profit while conveniently omitting rising expenses and declining cash flow. What sounded like strength was actually selective storytelling. These scenarios reveal a common thread. Information can be polished, confident, and wrong. Whether produced by AI, corporate leadership, or colleagues, financial information does not speak for itself. It must be questioned, tested, verified, and evaluated. This is why we need the Clever Framework. The Clever Framework rests on three foundational pillars. Critical thinking is the disciplined process of actively analyzing and evaluating information. It means asking probing questions, identifying assumptions, and testing logic rather than accepting information at face value. Professional skepticism is the questioning attitude that accountants bring to every piece of information, always asking, is this supported? Is this complete? What's missing? And ethical judgment ensures we present information fairly and transparently, maintaining integrity and objectivity even when facing pressure or conflicts of interest. These three pillars transform us from passive consumers of information into active, thoughtful evaluators who exercise professional judgment and uphold the integrity of financial reporting. Together, they form the foundation for everything we'll explore in the Clever Framework. Clever is a structured process that puts critical thinking, professional skepticism, and ethical judgment into action. Here's what each step means. Clarify the question. Define what's being asked and identify relevant concepts. Look for missing information. Identify gaps, omissions, and vague language. Evaluate the source. Assess credibility and reliability of human or AI sources. Verify the results. Check calculations and confirm claims with evidence. Examine logic and consistency. Ensure conclusions align with accounting principles and reality. And reflect on ethics. Consider fairness, transparency, and professional responsibilities. Clever is not a rigid checklist, but a habit of thoughtful evaluation. Think back to our student example. If she had applied Clever, she would have clarified her question, looked for missing data, evaluated the AI as her source, verified claims against actual financial statements, examined the logic, and reflected on whether her presenting unverified AI content was ethically appropriate. She would have caught the errors before submission and developed stronger critical thinking skills in the process. The proliferation of AI tools has transformed how we access and analyze financial information. AI can summarize documents, generate explanations, and perform calculations quickly, but it can also produce responses that sound confidently correct but are actually wrong. AI tools can fabricate numbers, misapply accounting concepts, and generate explanations that ignore key context. Most importantly, AI doesn't understand professional skepticism, doesn't bear responsibility for accuracy, and can't exercise ethical judgment. That responsibility remains with you. Here's the key insight. The most effective user of AI is an expert in the subject matter. An accountant with thorough knowledge of financial reporting standards and strong analytical skills can leverage AI effectively because they know what questions to ask, what red flags to watch for, and what answers make sense. They can quickly spot when AI fabricates a ratio or misunderstands relationships between financial statements. Without that expertise, confident sounding errors go undetected. The Clever framework helps build and apply that expertise systematically, ensuring that you use AI as a supplement to professional judgment, never a substitute for it. The Clever framework is designed for everyone in the accounting profession. Students benefit from a structure that builds critical thinking habits and deepens subject matter expertise. Professionals use it as a disciplined process to prevent errors, identify risks, and uphold ethical standards. Managers apply it to make strategic decisions based on accurate, fair, and complete information. Whether you're evaluating an AI-generated summary, reviewing a colleague's analysis, or preparing financial disclosures, Clever ensures you apply the skepticism your role demands. Critical thinking, professional skepticism, and ethical judgment aren't skills we're born with. They're learned, practiced, and strengthened over time. The Clever framework provides the structure to develop these skills systematically. In the chapters that follow, we'll explore each step in detail, equipping you with the confidence to evaluate financial information in an era where AI tools are everywhere and the need for professional judgment has never been greater. Thanks for viewing this Clever Framework video. This video has been created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz.